nito? 30 minutes sa bahay. Good morning, people. Tayo ay going to...
Mommy, guys, just sucking his dummy.
Look at that. So many birds. Do you know what birds is that?
Yeah.
What?
That's
What?
that's parrots.
That's not parrots. That's a crow.
Crow.
That's a crow, yeah.
Where are they crow?
That's the one making sounds. Anyway, ayun. Punta tayo sa mall na may
Everywhere. Mommy,
indoor playground.
Mommy,
Yes, babe.
I see crows everywhere. They say "bak, bak, bak, bak."
Yeah.
I sound like them, right?
Mm.
They're like "bak, bak, bak, bak,
Right.
bak, bak, bak."
Is Kai okay? Yeah. Ginising ko si Kai, guys. Tulog pa siya.
Mommy,
Kaya lang
I
we have to
an
go.
idea. I'll just let Kai play with the laboon. But
That's okay. He's playing with his dummy. It's okay. So, 27 minutes away ako. Papunta dun sa playground. Ano siya? Indoor playground. Nakapunta na tayo dun. Yung pinaka napuntahan natin na napaka-aesthetic naman talaga ng kanilang indoor playground. So, punta tayo dun with Erica and Angel. Catch up kami, guys. Medyo matagal na hindi kami nagkita. Sabi namin before every month kami magka-catch up. So, nangyari siya nangyari siya before every month. I think 3 beses o 2 beses kami every month nag-catch up. Then after that, wala na kasi na-busy na din kami. So, ngayon naman ulit. So, yeah. Catch up tayo with titas. Diba, Mia? And the kids. Kaya tawa siya ng tawa.
Mommy, look what he did with the kite dummy. I put the labubu here. See, now he can play with it, right?
Tawa. Cute.
Is this cute like a necklace?
Yeah. Ang ating Mia, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-fashionista naman talaga. Ako pumili ng damit niya, guys. Pero, yung shoes niya, yung sandal, naka-heels. Siya na naman talagang naka-heels. It's been a long time since my last vlog. But, hello, vlog tayo ulit. Kasi, 2 vlog na lang yung kailangan kong i-edit and then, makatlo to. So, pwede na tayo mag-vlog. Ang dami ko kasing in-edit na vlog from Vietnam. So, sabi ko, muna ako mag-vlog para hindi ako matambakan. Kasi soon, punta tayo ng Pilipinas and ayoko na naman matambakan. And for sure guys.
Look at that, it's blowing smoke.
I know it's blowing smoke. That's a truck.
Huh?
A truck.
But why did it blow smoke?
I'm not sure why, but
Maybe
that's
I
how it
know.
is.
Maybe because it was in fire, then it was washing it up home. Then maybe the smoke came out of it.
I'm not sure, but
Or maybe the truck is supposed to be like that.
yes, some trucks doesn't blow smoke like that truck. Yeah. Maybe that one is a special truck.
Yeah. Wow, look at all those trucks, Mommy. We found a lot of trucks here.
I know.
Elevator.
What happened to Kai?
It's the excavator.
Yeah, because there's a lot of roadworks here. So there's a lot of construction vehicles. Yeah.
Oh, another one.
Excavator. Oh, wow. So, makapaglaro na to si Kai, guys. Mag-e-enjoy na siya dun sa playground. Last time kasi napunta namin, baby pa siya.
Mommy.
Parang 4 months siya noon.
Mommy.
Or 2 months. Yes, babe.
Mommy, did you say we're going to the playground?
Yeah?
Yay!
You didn't know? I didn't tell you yesterday?
No,
What did I tell you?
you tell me nothing.
I didn't tell you. I thought I did. I said we're gonna go see Tita. Yay! Clap, Kai.
Mommy, am I
Tita Erica and Tita Angel. And
how about Maxine? Nobody can play with me?
Oh, Maxine will go to our house later.
But nobody will play with me in the playground?
I can play by yourself, or you can play with Kai and Tita Angel and Erica's kids.
And also they can play too, and even you to look after only baby. And I can play with
there's another truck with a lot of, what's this?
I can play with all of you.
Yes.
Right?
Did you see that truck?
Yeah, but I can play with all of you guys.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down dirty, like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Magpapalit siya ng shoes, o diba? Sabi ko sa kanya hindi yan comfortable pag naglalakad siya ng bongga eh. Palit na siya. Mabuti na lang dinala ko yung extrang sandal. Dito na kami sa car park. Sana hindi ko makalimutan saan kami nagpark. Ano ba to? Anong level to? L1. L1 guys. L1 tapos pink. Anong level to? Kai, don't eat it, baby. Don't eat it. Okay na, ate? Nasa level 1 red tayo. Mia, here. Let's go down. Kaka's going down. Mia, come back. Dito para yung labas sa chat time. Ayan. Huwag natin kalimutan, Kai. Sa chat time tayo, Kai.
Yeah, they're open.
There. Open sila, guys. Close kasi yan dun, no? Hello, Zion! Hello! Hello to tita! Tulog yung isa, oh. Yung isa kumain lang. Gutom siya. Tingnan niya.
I stopped staring at anybody. I told you that first time.
What is it?
I said stop staring.
Yeah, it's okay. Gusto niyang kumain.
Whenever it's like this, we
They'll magnet.
did.
Yeah, they'll magnet. It's a magnet, babe. Sige, Kai. Anong kinakatch mo dyan, Kai? Nasa floor na yung ano. Oo. Are you catching something, Kai? Wala nang tao. Tayo na lang yung tao. O, diba? Andun si na Erica. Zion! Okay pala pag weekdays, wala masyadong tao. Uy, kinain na. Uy, kinain mo na yan. May laway na ni Kai Kai.
Oh no, I dropped it. But at least I got two fish. Oh, I got one.
Yay! Well done, guys. Kai, ano yung lasa? Wag ka dyan. Matumba ka. Oo. Oh, pupunta siya kay Oli. Oh, ipupush mo si Oli. Baka mahulog si Oli. Push, Oli, go! Push, Oli! Dali! Push, Oli! Are you pushing Oli? Mabunggo! Okay. Are you guys playing? Wow! Gonna share? Gusto niyo lang i-push? What do you wanna get? Oh, what's that, Kai? A donut? You get a donut. You wanna eat donut? A croissant? Is that a croissant? Yeah. Oh. Ano to? Luto ka na, Zion? Ha? What are you gonna cook for us?
Oh, give it to Kai.
Sinigang.
Shopping.
Shopping pa lang siya. No. Oh.
Croissant.
Kit-kit na lang. Kit-kit na lang. Oh.
Share.
Gusto niya din yun.
Share kayo.
Happy yarn. Hi! Yay! Oh! Yay! Yay! Hold Mama, hold up. You can get up. Yay! Pag nakatayo siya, magyayay siya. Yay! Yay! Good job, boy. Good job! Go!
Oh, they're both the same height.
Just got her drink. Which one is yours? This one?
This one is mine with a lot of legs.
Kinuha niya pala yung lychee ko. Kakaloka ka. Slushy lychee to eh.
Yours and this is mine.
Slice lychee.
Next time, pag nag-ano tayo na catch up, punta tayo dun sa Outback Splash. Yung message with
Di pa. Nakita ko yun, pero hindi pa. Parang malayo. Malayo ba yun? Malayo ba?
Kayo lang family?
Parang malayo ata eh.
Malapit sa atin. Malapit sa atin. Sa inyo malayo. Malapit siguro makaano sa atin.
Okay lang pala.
Adventure road ang malayo. Pero mas malang adventure road ang pero buti ko dati mag-adventure road tayo. Hindi ako dito
Ayun na yung order mo. Wow. Yummers! Yummy! Bye! Yung vlog ko na kumain tayo dito last time, di ko nabulog. Wala. Like, nakatambak lang. Ang dami ko kasing hindi na-upload eh. Na-i-edit.
Kasi pag bumabulog,
Kailangan mag-time. Ayun, ito. Anti-plate.
hindi pa bata.
Yan yung attention bata nila.
Ito na lang.
May mami wipe at the hands. Ew.
Mommy, I will use this for
Really,
you.
really?
Gusto niya rin yung mga pasta blueberry.
Oo. Pinaka-favorite niya talaga pansit.
Kain din siya. Mango sticky rice.
Natulog siya.
Kain
Ano
tayo.
ba kinuha niyo gabi o anong
Hindi.
baka din pero nung papunta niyo ba?
Ano?
Pero pigit pa kayo sa Japan.
Mr. Duin.
Ticket.
Hindi. Pero parang mas mura ata pag ano, sa Pilipinas. Yung
Sa
side.
Pilipinas.
Yeah, oh, Big Mac.
Tutulong niyo rin.
Taiwan. Pakakalat mo na. Big Mac.
Sarap tayo yun.
Big Mac.
Maghirapan ako.
Nisa na lang ni Mami mamaya, no? Ayaw mo? Water? Sleep na ikaw. You wanna sleep? Or you wanna eat first?
Ano yung sinako yung dalawa? Hindi ko pala pag next year. Wala ilang taon yung kailangan yung napakuna sila.
Meron na. Kahit ano? One ata. Pag one ata meron na.
Pero yan, patuloy kami na lang.
Hindi, mas worth it naman siya kung ano.
Worth it.
Kung may sarili na sila makuha.
Kasi tsaka hindi nila kakaya sa
Oo. At least solo mo lang yung ano. Kasi nung kami may katabi kami.
Mommy, how dare you
Buti
get
nga
my
lang.
flower in the face?
Hindi, Singapore ito po. Wala na kami katabi. So solo na lang. So nahiga ko po sa upuan.
Kasi kahit pag nilagay ko sa bassinet, nagigising. Pero nung nilagay ko siya nung papunta kami,
Tulog.
tulog lang siya. Kasi yung flight namin nun midnight. So parang sleeping time niya na talaga. Eh yung pag-uwi namin, hindi yun ano yun
Gising siya.
gising siya the whole time. What?
Pero maganda din buka Hong Kong. Kung gusto mo lang mag-Disneyland. Kasi ang mahal kasi sa Japan talaga.
Kailangan namin.
Anak,
Kung hindi ka
Pero
talaga.
kasi yata yung sobrang trend.
Kasi sobrang pagod namin.
Yung Thailand, there's lemon na.
yes.
Four. Customers. Movement is on. One. Pray. Pick up and don't forget to click confirm.
Nilagay ko dun sa remarks. Ito na.
Enjoy your meal. Again, if you order more. Bye.
Sleep na ito. Where's the key? Hindi na ayaw mag-bebe. Ngayon kakain na si Mami.
Hindi.
Hindi na Mama, hindi. No, hindi Mama. No, you're not
Buti na
allowed
nakuha ko
that.
pa yung 4 hours na trip lang sa Manila. Para lang.
So yung Sunday mo,
Parang 1:30 or 2:30.
You wanna eat? You want mango?
Pero pag tinamad ako, papapalit ko din yun ng 4 hours lang.
Hi!
kapag
Hi!
saan sila pupunta sila sa iyo o ikaw pupunta sa kanila? Hindi mo ba sila yan?
2 years.
Ilang days?
3 days siya yun.
Di ba parang may minimum yun? At least 2 ata?
iba yata na flexible.
Meron.
Tinanggap naman siya.
Gusto ko lang yung parang kunyari, try nyo lang like half day. Bigyan mo.
Yun nga lang, maano sa sakit eh. Katulad nung dati. Sino ba? Ito yung yun yung hand, foot, and mouth na ano sila. Oo. Tapos hindi nila late na nasabi. Tapos nakawaan na sila, sila ulit. So, apat sila meron. Buti nga hindi grabe kay ulit. Oo, apat.
Ito na hand na natin. Sa daycare din.
Oo.
I don't even cook them.
Na-notice ko nung may red pa
Oo.
kamay niya. Tapos sabi ko, bakit may ganito? Chinek ko yung mouth niya.
Meron sa madamala.
Wala pa konti. Tapos nung pina-check up ko na.
After ilang days.
Ayun na. Pina-check up ko muna.
Pero di ba college na lang wala din sila
Wala. Ano lang.
Dede ko na, natulog na. Very good. Good luck sa pag-transfer sa car. Sana hindi magising. Alright. Hello, guys. Back to the car. Ate Mia, you have seatbelt on? Yes or no?
Yes, I do have my
You have?
I do.
Alright, let's go. Everyone's ready?
It's Mia Venisli.
Mia Venisli.
I wrote on something.
Is that your name? You write on yourself?
Yeah.
Silly Mia.
But mommy,
Nag-coast kami, guys.
Mama, I just write it because so everybody knows my name.
That's good. Alright, so what
That's
time
good.
na? It's now magpo-4 na actually. So we are going home. Nag-stop pa kami ng coast kasi andyan naman yung coast before mag-car park. So sabi ko, coast mo lang muna tayo. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Bakasyon na naman kami guys
Mami?
next week. Pilipinas na naman.
Mommy, can you turn on the ring on a bicycle and can you pause it and can you turn it on again? Because I want to play freeze dance. I want to play freeze dance. See, Kai is asking for it. He wants to play freeze dance.
Okay. Submarine. Helicopter.
Mommy, you need to play freeze dance. Mommy, we're playing freeze dance, so you need to freeze dance. Oh, so turn it on, freeze and turn it on, and freeze and turn it on. Yeah.
Dito tayo sa bahay ni Mama. Pick up kami ng tinola. Tinola, tinola. Para may tinola. Para may tinola. Mamila. Is that Mamila? Mamila. Mamila. Sige lang.
For the dame and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Gapakuha sa.
Dali na lang ha. Dali na mauli. Uuli na. Babay na, Mamila. Babay na. Sige ha. Oh,
Oh, sige na.
oo, sige na.
Bye-bye.
Oo, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kapulin na patay.
The wheels on the bus go
Round and round, round and round,
round and round. The wheels on the bus go
round and round.
all through the town.
Ready? Tingin.
Oh, she can open it.
May binigay siya
Ay, open
kay
na, baby.
Maxine.
Don't pull. Atis ka ng pull.
Okay, open. Bakit nandyan kami, ah?
No,
What?
open it from there.
Opo.
Sa taas.
That one?
Yeah. What's inside? What did you give Maxine?
Open
What?
it from there, Maxine.
Oh, what's
It's
inside?
already open.
There.
Ano yan?
Open your eyes.
Wow!
Ay, plastic pa niya.
What?
Yung ipit niya.
What?
Binigay niya yung ipit niya. Oh, wow. Very nice. Wow. May necklace pa.
That was so nice.
May chocolate pa. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
And the guy loves Maxine.
Okay.
And Maxine, and you want to build a
Naglabas si
secret
kayo.
room now?
And then you follow ate. Okay?
Come on, guys.
Ready? Follow ate. Here.
Popcorn. No.
Kai kumakain ng fish cake. Oh, ay.
Just follow my lead, okay?
Wow! Pip pip! Ay, yan doon yung fish cake. Hello! Tinola si Kai Kai, guys. Ayan. Tinola ulam ni Kai Kai. Yummy? Parang busog na nga siya. Tingnan nyo. Busog na ang Kai Kai. Busog na? Ayaw na? Si Mian dun sa playroom, guys. Naglalaro kasama si Maxine. No. Oh, eat pa. Eat pa. You want water? Ano? Busog na? Busog na? One more. Oh, one more. One more. Ayaw na, ayaw na. Busog. Hello, people. So, gising na si Kai, guys. What?
Hi guys, my name is Mia, and my baby brother's just playing in a playpen.
So, ito siya sa playpen si Kai while I'm cleaning up kasi iniwan ko lang yung mga kalat ko kanina dito nung pinatulog ko siya, tapos nagising siya nung kumakain kami, so I have to stop eating and pinatulog ko siya ulit. Natulog naman siya, pero while I was staying there kasi habang tulog siya, nagdedede pa din siya, guys. Hindi din ako makaalis, but now gising na siya. Nagising siya sa sound ng TV. Wow, wow. Ate Mia, build this.
And this is the toilet. I need to go
What is
toilet.
that?
Pee-pee. You need to go toilet.
So, andito lang siya sa baba while I was upstairs. Feeding Kai.
Let's eat some dinner.
Isa, yung ano niya kasi, yung lullaby niya, guys, nag-stop, tapos nag-change, kasi tapos na playing yung lullaby niya kasi dark ko lang sa TV. So, tapos na siya play, nag-direct siya sa ibang video, and yung video na yun is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like alphabets, guys. So, ayun, nagising na siya. But yeah, I just washed the dishes. I'm gonna cut the watermelon that I bought from Kohl's kanina. Kasi nga, nag-stop kami sa Kohl's to buy fruits for Mia kasi may school siya bukas. Ano kasi bukas, guys? Wednesday. So, this week, may pasok siya ng Wednesday. And last week, parang nag-vlog ako nung last week. So, wala silang pasok ng Friday last week. So, Thursday and Friday pasok niya last week. Since walang pasok siya sa Friday, isang day lang yung pasok niya last week. So, mahaba yung break ni Ate Mia. Ayan, just gonna cut the watermelon para bukas. Ready na siya for Mia's baon. Yan, apakalaking watermelon. And then, para mabigay na din natin kay Kai.